Hello, my name is Adam from Indoor Outdoors, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install your wrench and spanner holder from MegaMaxx. So the first step you'll want to do is take a pencil and your holder, just place it on the wall straight, and just make markings where you're going to drill into. Once you've done this, take 3 screws and drill into the wall on the marks you've made. Take your hanger and just place them on the screws. They should then fall into place where the screws are. Now you've got it there, just take your drill and tighten them screws up.